Ever since the controversial abortion law was passed 4 years ago, there have been street demonstrations demanding the government reverse it. Nicaragua is one of 6 countries in the world where it's a crime to have an abortion for any reason, even when a woman's life is in danger. Both women and doctors face long prison terms if they are caught here. The latest case to capture the headlines is that of a 27-year-old woman with lung cancer. Amalia, the alias under which she's known, is pregnant and the mother of a 10-year-old child. She spent more than a month at a hospital but didn't receive any cancer treatment because doctors were worried it might hurt the fetus. Her family went public, taking an ad in local newspapers asking the government to make an exception in her case. They wrote, "We're asking you not to forget that my sister is a human being, that she needs her treatment rather soon because the situation is difficult." Opponents of the law say scores of women have died unnecessarily since it was passed.
She asked to be treated because she hopes she can stop the cancer from advancing so she can survive a bit longer. She's always said, "I don't want to leave my 10-year-old child alone."
The law put medical workers in a difficult ethical and legal position.
The law says we can't intervene and interrupt any pregnancy. On the other hand, the general health law commands us to act. So we have 2 laws, and as physicians, we are trapped.
Nicaragua has always been a deeply religious country. 70% of its people look to Rome for religious guidance, and the church has always been unshakably against abortion. Church leaders here lobbied hard to change the president's position on the issue and have celebrated the ban. But a spokesman denied the rule was designed to endanger women.
The church won't discuss nor negotiate therapeutic abortion. Any treatment must try to find how to save both lives as much as possible. And if, as a result, the child dies in the womb of the mother, then that for us would be a totally unwanted abortion, which is what morally we are looking for.
Most Nicaraguans share the church's belief on abortion, but when we spoke to people on the streets of Managua about Amalia, or any other case of a woman's life in danger, the issue becomes more clouded.
Abortion is wrong because you're killing a little creature.
If the baby is going to be born with malformations, or it will have problems in his development, then I think yes, you would have to do it.
The case of a pregnant Amalia is far from over. She received the first dose of chemotherapy in this hospital, but she remains under tight security, and doctors here aren't talking about her condition. Whatever happens, her case has reignited the calls from human rights groups for a change in the law. They say Nicaragua is not respecting the most fundamental rights of women. Ricardo Castillo, Jazeera in Managua, Nicaragua.